My lovely people, I'm doing this video specifically for you. This is a hidden gem. And remember, we do in-store pickups, so we'll do in-store pickups here for you. If you have never seen or heard about City Furniture, most of our fellow Jamaicans shop at City Furniture. You get some lovely deals on furniture. I know you guys know IKEA. I know you do a lot of shopping at IKEA. This is one of City Furniture warehouse. We pick up a lot at this warehouse. I'm here to do a pickup. At the time of recording this video, it's right in the Black Friday sale. And I just want to go through and show you some of the prices here. How ridiculously low some of the prices are. This warehouse is humongous. I'm gonna tell you that. We're here picking up a sofa, a sectional sofa, customer bought, real nice one. So I'll give you an idea of how big City Furniture is, of how big the warehouse is. It is absolutely huge. This warehouse is next to none in terms of sheer size and scale. And by the way, they have free cookie downstairs. Yeah, they bake fresh cookie. You can have as much as you want for free. That's one of the hallmark of City Furniture as well. So, again, whether it's paintings, whether it's rugs, whether it's living room, bedroom, dining room furniture, check out City Furniture online. Quality is superb.